All right, this right here is the way you fasten the wiring harness down. This is the way it came off. This is the original factory harness. And the way I did it was basically, there's four points, and I'll show you those that they mount. First one I tried, ease of getting the camera in, is right there. You set the piece on top, then bolt and drive that down, and that's in there, good and sturdy. Let me come around to the back over here to show you a second one right here. Oh, you hear the birds? Right here. Let me open. Oh, it's a pretty day out there. I'm using a 9mm socket to set that in place. Oh, this one is smaller. This one was bigger. See if I can get this to lock. Nope. Gonna have to grab a different size. Or flatten it. In a vise. All right, try that. Is that going to work? Oh, that's much better. And in this case, I'm just going to pop it into place, and it's holding. So there you go. That's how I did the second one. The one up here on the front, let me rearrange the camera. Okay. Listen to the pretty bird out there. And that one is down to, let me tighten it up just a hair. Okay. There we go. Right, the next one is up on front. Another big one, and I'm going to move the wiring harness right there. Hopefully you can see that. It's right there. So let me go around, take care of the next one. It's a nice sounding bird. And that's down there. Okay. All right, and yesterday we had issues over here. We had issues here, but there's this 1, 2, 3, and up on 4 places that it mounts. Here's the wiring harness. All right, and we got right here to the coolant temperature sensor. These are the fuel injectors, one here to the IAC. Those are both new and just around, and the knock sensor, which is on the rear of the engine. All right. Thanks for watching, and edit this down, Dave.